Today I'm going to be reviewing NEXZL's 2-pack Hemp Calm Me Treats. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Let's take a look at what the actual treats look like. You're going to get 2 of these containers here. They're just little bones right here like that. If your dog is 10 pounds, you're going to give them 1. 10 to 20 is going to be 2. I'm going to put a chart up of how many you give out to your dog. Now, last night was Christmas, so we had some people coming over for dinner, and I have 2 dogs here, and I gave it to them. It took a little while for it to kick in, so when everyone came, they still kind of went crazy, but it didn't kick in within 15 minutes. But about an hour later, they were chill. They were very relaxed. I have one dog, a mini schnauzer, that has a lot of anxiety, and I only gave him 1, by the way, just because I was trying it out. I'm gonna give this a try when we leave. She's also takes some other medication. I was pretty impressed. What's really nice is this is made in the USA, which I like to see, especially with dog treats. You never know what you're gonna get. Finally, this does really well on Amazon. It gets 5 stars last month. This sold over 1,000 plus. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.